opening higher. Sensex trades above 80,600 while the Nifty nears 24,600. Most sectors trade in the green, led by gains in auto and pharma. Meanwhile, real estate comes out as the only sore spot. IT earnings continue to meet street expectations. HCL Tech gains over 3% as the company's deal wins rise to $1.96 billion. And EBITDA jumped as much as 6% on back of strong June quarter earnings. The company's revenue and profits rose 30%. Hello and welcome to the F&O show. Over the next half an hour, we'll take you through all the action in the options market. Well, it's a good-looking Monday for the street. We're extending Friday's rally into today's day of trade. The breadth of the market's also not too bad as we see it. 24,552 is where the markets are holding up, and that's pretty much been the sense over the last half an hour, where the Nifty is up 50%. The breadth of the market, like I said, is not too bad. You've got gainers in the form of TCS that's reacting to its numbers. It's off the day's high point, but still HCL Tech, but still trades in positive territory. So profit booking at higher levels is what we are seeing on HCL Tech. ONGC is up 2% as well. Bajaj Auto, Dr. Reddy's are some of the other gainers. Well, auto has been on the sell side for the last couple of weeks. So what you're seeing today is sector rotation and some of these auto stocks gaining quite well in trade. Along with auto, it's tyre companies. We believe there has been a price hike undertaken by one of the tyre manufacturers. On back of which, you've got stocks like JK Tyre that's up 9%. Fundamentally and technically a top pick by most analysts. SEAT is looking good. Apollo Tyres trades with a gain of 5%, and MRF also trading higher. JK Tyre now up 11% in trade. There are some brokerages who believe a 700 rupee target price on that counter is what's expected. Apollo also the day's high point, 5.5% higher. MRF trades with a gain of 3.5%. Well, apart from that, in the broader market universe, you've got stocks such as Raymond that continue to do well. Godfrey Phillip is up 12%. Safari and VIP are looking good on Investex report on betting on the travel boom. OFC, MRF, Aurobindo Pharma, Apar, Senza Technologies are some of the other big gainers. On the sell side, what we are seeing is Welspun is down 3%. Real estate has taken a bit of a knock this morning. Railways and defense also seeing some profit taking in the session. Railtel down 3% after a 14% up move that was seen on Friday. Mazgar Docks is down 3%. BEL, Coach and Shipyard are all seeing some cuts in trade. Fertilizers also on the back burner this morning. So that's largely what the market looks like. Sector rotation at play. The Nifty holds up and so does Bank Nifty. Ajit Mishra and Brijesh Singh both join in with their trading.
I had an initiate long even at the current levels with 480 in the stock.
Brijesh, what about you? What is your trade on the index? Are you also adopting a buy on dip strategy? And if yes, what is the level that one could consider going long at?
So, Sabina, good morning. If I affiliate the two indices, like, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So, Nifty is still looking promising as compared to the Bank Nifty. And now, if we talk about Nifty still has been trading with higher tops and higher bottom formation on the hourly chart or a little bit on the 4-hourly chart. Still the same trend has been there. Psychological mark of 24,000 or precisely 24,100 still has been holding and it has not been broken. Whereas on the higher side, the resistance like 24,490 was been there. Now that has been broken. Now it's been looking for 24,620 to 24,650. That is the first hurdle where the resistance lies. And if we are able to surpass that resistance, then the next level to watch would be 24,840 to 24,850. Whereas the immediate support is been concerned, then 24,400 would be coming into play, followed by 24,100. So if one wants to go long in the Nifty, definitely one can go. But current rate, I would not be would be recommending looking the Nifty at a spot level. If we are able to get Nifty somewhere around 24,500 or to 24,520, then only go for a buy side with a stop loss of 24,450 and then play for the target of 24,620 or 24,650. Regarding with the Bank Nifty is been considered, still overall trend is not that much promising on the high side, nor on the sell side. It's been trading in the range. Now 52,000, 52,100 is the immediate support, and if we are breaking that, then the next level to watch would be 51,500 to 51,600. The trend get changed when we are giving closing or when we are breaking 51,500. Then we can see further downside, which can lead to Bank Nifty to trade somewhere around 50,500 or below that. So whereas on the higher side has been considered, then the Bank Nifty has a resistance at 52,700 or to 52,800, whereas another level on the high side would be 53,200. So at the current level, I would not be going for a sell call in the Nifty, but anyhow, if Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty trades below 52,000, then one can take a sell side with a stop loss of 52,200 and then play for the target of 51,500 to 51,600.
530 is a stop loss, 546 as a buy level to enter into that stock. Brijesh, you want to come on Tyre Stocks? Is Apollo also on your buy list if you're to trade Tyre companies?
Yes, I mean, already, when MRF has already given the revised rate of a tire, then we are seeing now Tyre Stocks moving on, whether that be Apollo, MRF, JK Tyre or CA. Since Apollo has been there in the F&O stocks, obviously it's looking promising, and whether they had mentioned, the volume are stronger, when we see, and in today's session already a bullish engulfing candlestick has been formed. The stock has been trading about all the important moving average, 525 around the cluster of support lies. So one can keep that thing as a stop loss of 525 present rate, or any dip below 540 also can be used to go long, play for the target of 585 to 590.
Well, at the day's high point, Ajit in the tech bag. Brijesh, you want to have a go on tech stocks? Anything you would like that you could still, consider going long at? Because a lot of these stocks have already ran up substantially, and we've already seen an HCL Tech off the day's high point already.
So I'll only add one more stocks where the buying is being seen, that is OFS. Now in today's session right now in cash segment, the stock has already made a new high of 10,983, and now presently it's been trading at 10,930. So suppose someone wants to go long on Oracle, present rate can be used to go long. Stop loss, I'll say 10,600. Target would be 11,400 to 11,500.
Right. Recommending the current market price is 384 on NTPC. Brijesh, what about you? What is it that you're recommending, your top buys this morning?
So, Sabina, I'll have two stocks, one on the buy side and one on the sell side. If you look at the oil and gas stocks in F&O, Gail, MGL, Petronet, BPCL, Gujarat, all are been moving up. Now, in that Gail chart look promising, and it has been moving up with the higher tops and higher bottom formation. Now 234 around in future the stock has been quoting. So present rate can be used to go long with the stop loss of 225, play for the target of 242 to 255. The time frame to hold this counter would be a couple of days. Another stock which is on the sell side is Tata Steel. Now, if we look at the Tata Steel chart in today's session, the stock has on our hourly chart, it's been trading with a lower top formation. It's been trading below the important moving average, longer term moving average, that is 200 simple moving average, has been trading below that, and somewhere around 167 the stock has been quoting. So one can take up selling a call of 178 strike price, which has been trading at 1 rupees 10 paisa around. So present rate or to the level of 1 rupees 25 paisa, one can take a sell call in it with a stop loss of 1 rupee 80 paisa and hold till expiry for the target of 0.
Right, that is a few trade calls coming in. A buy on Cipla, a buy on NTPC, a buy on Gail, and a sell on Tata Steel. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us with your trading strategies for the day. But just very quickly, actually, just before I have to let both of you go, a quick one in the interim. We've talked about railway, defence and fertilizers extensively in the run-up to the budget. If I had to ask you, Brijesh, I know most of them are not in the F&O space, but if you had to trade any of these counters between now and budget, would you have anything on the anvil?
See, still, if I talk about the railway stocks, so one stock is still looking promising, that is IRFC. The stock had made a base at 174. Now the second level it had made a base at around 200. Now it's been trading at 221 rupees. If not mistaken, in today's session, stock had made a high also to the high of 229. So if someone wants to go long present rate or till a dip of 214, one can take a buy call in it with the stop loss of 207 and play for the target of 240 to 248.